Steve, welcome to my workshop and to Fenric Wood Stuff. We're going to look at 3 planes I've just purchased. 3 rider planes from Axminster Tools. A 4.5 inch smoother, low angle block plane, and what they call an apron plane, which obviously goes in the pockets of your apron, just for knocking off corners and doing light work. So it could be a series of 3 very quick and dirty reviews and see if they are worth the money I paid for, and do they say what's on the tin. Stay tuned. So this is the Axminster's rider number 60.5 low angle block plane. It arrived in this plastic bag. It's got travel grease on, wrapped in bubble wrap, in a little cardboard box. So let's have a good look at this then. So first things first, I'm just going to clean off the travel grease. A little bit of white spirit to do the job. The blade's full of travel gunk. Sort of a linish finish. Don't feel particularly sharp. I wouldn't expect this one to cut very well at all, but we'll give it a try. The lateral mechanism, looks a bit naff, to be honest. Looks a bit pressed tin. The opening and closing of the mouth is. Oh, that's alright. The bottom looks reasonably well ground. I can get a 0.05 tooth out feeler underneath, so I guess this is going to need some flattening. Oh man, tighten that up first, you dope. I don't look too bad. Let's assemble it and we'll give it a go on a little piece of timber. So straight out of the box, we'll see what it's like just doing a chamfer. Right. It's a bit of a raggedy finish. Alright when you go with the grain, or it's like a cross grain. So for this type of work, it's ready to go straight out of the box, which is pretty good. We'll see what it's like on a Well, that's pretty damn good actually. I think it's the first plane I've ever owned that can really just go straight out of the box and do what it wants to do and do what it needs to do. What I'll do, I'll just I'll clean the blade up and make sure the bottom's flat and all that type of stuff. But this is one decent little block plane. I think the only thing that lets it down is a bit of a bent tin approach here. And that's for lateral movement. So once again, the blade is 3mm thick. On the record one, it's 1.5mm. Just about 50 times on each stone, and that should be done for the rest of its life. Mirror finish. Right, we'll just do the bevel. Once again, I'll just put it in the jig. So it's at 25 degrees, and we'll just do the whole bevel, and then we'll put a micro bevel on it at the end. Just getting basically rid of all the linishing marks. They're virtually all gone now. So we've got it looking alright, so we're just going to put the micro bevel on it before. So what I'll do on this one is just that, and I'll put a little micro bevel along the edge. Just do half a dozen strokes on each stone and it should be done. What we'll see if I can get it right. It's just a tiny little shiny micro bevel. One thing that I found is a bit of a pain is that lateral adjustment. I'll show you. Take this off. So the blade sits on this little tab here that's in this pressed steel stuff, but it's not a really good fit. You see it rocks around. So I found you got to, without the cap on, eye it up down the blade to get it level, then put the cap on and tighten it up. Because this thing's a bit of a joke really. Does move it a little bit, but I end up resorting to giving it a little tap. It's taking a full cut now. So that's the Rider 60.5 low angle block plane. Generally okay, to be honest. The thing that lets it down is just this bit of pressed steel stuff around here. But for the price. And it did work straight out of the box, which is first time for a long while I've had a plane that works out of the box reasonably okay. Not bad for the price. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's another tool review coming too. I'm happy we're working.